responsible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday evening. I hope everyone's had a great day ready for a good Asia stream. Nice to see you, Speed Racer. Glad to see your passing accounts. Weird day today in the markets with no news catalysts. We're pretty much sideways rangy. In the last hour, we had a big dip. Now NQ had a dip earlier, tried to come back up, but it also had that dip in the last hour. I'm down on the Blue Sky competition account, but I was positive by 285 on the Funded Futures Network account and by 300 something on the Topstep account. Copper had a wonderful day today. Gold had a good day as well. Got close to 2,200, but still can't get there. Ultra Bond was sad today. Crude had an excellent run today. And Bitcoin touched 73.5. Yeah, now, let's see. Let's find that because I need it. $613.60 away from being from funded on Topstep. Looks like we're choppy. Let's see if there's any news this evening. Nothing really. Foreign investment Japanese bonds. It's just a bunch of foreign investment reports. That's, I assume, not going to move the market. I don't know, but I can't see that being a real exciting thing. Hey, Chris. Excellent. Yep. Apex, 80% off. Bulenox, 90% off. Hey, G-Man. Say hi to your dog for me, G-Man, since he was part of the conversation earlier. Gold, a nice little pop there. Once you pop, you can't stop. Oh wait, that's Pringles, not gold. Nice little bounce up. I mean, it's a couple points, but how did everybody else do today? For now, I'm going to forego the Blue Sky competition account, and I'm going to work on the Topstep, see if I can get that closer. Excellent job, Speed Racer. That'll buy like some gas and a new carburetor. I don't know, do cars even still use carburetors? Nice little pop-up. So what was our high a day? I forget. Oh, we're way off that. We know we're close. What was our last support area? And that would probably be 404. We're still way off that too. Nice. Nice little move up there. Up 10 points on this 5-minute candle. Was a little blue candle there. I guess I should have respected it and took that trade. I'm always more cautious in Asia than I should be, I guess. Hey, CBR. How'd you finish up today? Ouch, CBR. Sorry to hear that. I also finished down on the blue sky count by like 1,400. So you're shooting for $1,000 a day there, Speed Racer? 250,000 a year. Yeah, we got to see what everyone else did, CBR. Excuse me 1 second. Yeah, you know, people that were behind you, CBR, they weren't really lighting it up easy either the last couple days, so we'll see. Blue candle is a bullish engulfing candle. Purple's a bearish engulfing, and it's one of my main signals. So if you look back here, looking for a non-extreme example here. So a good example right here. This is blue candle here. We're below, above the signal line. Blue candle. That's a signal for me to go long. Purple candle below. It's a signal for me to go short. Got to weed them out a little bit, but you can see how it worked there, worked there. If the wick's bigger than the body, like that, that would not be a valid signal for me. See, there it worked. There it worked. There it ran into resistance. You got to be careful. And then I also use them when they're coming up out of an extreme ultimate RSI area. So this is a signal up. So you can see how often they work. You can see there, that one would have worked nicely if I had taken it. And this one here would have worked. My eventual goal is to maybe get to a point where I don't need the indicators, where I can just read the price action and know, but I'm not there yet. And right now it's working for me. If you're enjoying the stream tonight, I expect to enjoy it since it just started. Appreciate if you gore that like button for me. Yep, just announced. It's easy for me to say. Announced today. Bulenox 90% off. That sale's running through the end of the month, apparently. What's that, G-Man? What, not using indicators? Or not using the purple and blue candles? Well, it's better than throwing darts at the screen, because then you constantly need new screens. I know, G-Man. I know. I know. If that's going to be our only move of the night, I'll be upset. But hopefully it'll be more. Sorry, didn't mean to rub the mic. Yeah, they never put that micro account on sale though, so the 25K account ends up being cheaper. The sales for the 25, 50, and the 100K. I mean, I think they have a. Let me look. They have 45% off the micro account. Yeah, so that's the best that they have on the micro. What do you mean CBR? It's a blue candle here. There's a wick on it. Yeah, I'm below the signal line, so I'm not interested in it. Oh, yeah, it's like a limit. I don't. Did you ask whether that's even still in place? Because I thought it was just max 2 no matter what. Because I thought you could have 2 of the static growth, but now I gotta check on that. I didn't even think about that. The 25K speed racers 143 for the PA fee. The 10K is 98. I didn't trust it, but it's going a little bit. You're welcome. I don't know. I'm gonna assume yes, since they're price matching Flexi Trade and Flexi Trade's lifetime. So I'm gonna guess yes, but I can't say for sure. I have to try and find someone that grabbed the deal to check their dashboard. So I only went up 2 points. Yeah, one day to pass is back on Apex, 80% off. He keeps running into that 100 EMA on the 5 or the 200. I forget which one that is, but it's a great time to be a prop trader. Hey Chris, that sale runs through the end of the month, so if you're not in a rush to grab it, I'll probably be able to find out by tomorrow if that's a lifetime discount or not. A bunch of our regulars won't be here tonight. Sid's taking some time off. Kim has a family thing. John DeFore's on vacation. Another blue candle. More wick than body in that blue candle. I'm going to see what it does here. If we blow this up a little bit. I want to see it try and get above that area that struggled here before we go long. I'm watching the tape, time and sales, and it's weird how different it is this time of day. Right now, there's like one every 10 seconds, maybe 20 seconds, and then whereas during the day it's going so fast you can barely read it. It's kind of stagnant, very stagnant. Looks like tonight might be even slower than Monday was, and Monday night was pretty slow. Excuse my noise, I'm digging under my desk for something. Oops. Yeah, definitely excuse my noise, as now I'm just dropping things all over the place. We're totally sideways. Purple candle there, but not trusting it. Hey, Tio, how's it going? There's a little move up. Topstep's good. FFN's good. Blue Sky competition, not so good. There's a little whip up there. Got up to 369. All right, Speed Racer. Have a good night. Oh, did you blow it up, Tio? So do you have any other accounts to trade now, or is that your only account that you had? uh, Big old blow up. So we did get above the highs here. This blue candle would have worked. Just, yeah. Cool. If not, I was going to recommend that Bulenox is 90% off. It's running till the end of the month, so you got time. That's what I don't like about Asia is it's so hard to tell what a valid signal is because the candles are so small. Let's CBR, we need to get you, we need to see you get funded and start bringing in enough money so you can always be off work. So that the number of members, our subscribers, I should say, is just ticked up by one. So if someone's new and here in the stream, feel free to say hello in the chat. So right now we pretty much came up, full consolidated it now. Pretty much just kind of grinding upwards. It's an upward grind. I am trading the Topstep account tonight, at least for now. Just because that one's getting close to funded. I never passed the Topstep before. So I like to do that. I've gotten really close. I've gotten within $200 a couple of times. And then totally blew it. Oh yeah, the ETT curse is a real thing. I did get funded on Earn to Trade twice, and blew both funded accounts. I've never tried Trade Day. Well, the one time I passed Earn the Trade was with a bot. Bot did really well, got me to funded. Now it was like $1,900 in the profit on the live sim. Look at this going up now. I was $1,900 in profit on the live sim, and then the bot told me to go screw myself and lost it all. I mean, the bot really didn't tell me to screw myself, but it did lose it all. Custom written for my strat. If something went, it was a different strat than what I'm using now. Just for some reason, the market changed and it just stopped working. So we got up to 378, and I ignored a couple of good blue candles because I didn't trust them. Eventually, I'll pay somebody to try and automate this strat. Maybe. I enjoy trading, so it doesn't necessarily mean, I don't necessarily want to not manual trade, but if I could let the bot handle it on NinjaTrader and I can be on another account on Tradovate, that would be cool. If it outtrades me, I'll threaten to turn it off. Then it'll rise up against me and not bad. But nice move up on the Russell. Nice move up on Dow. Crude's moving up. Everything's happy right now. Good, CBR. That confident feeling is a really good feeling. Now today, went back to trading because after the stream, I did a few other things. I went back to trading in the Topstep account, and I got another win, and then I took a loss. And sometimes losses can just throw me where I will get hesitant to enter again. But then I entered 2 more trades in the last like 20 minutes before 4 o'clock, and I won both for 10 points each. And that made my day. I believe he passed with Blue Sky, right, CBR? Hanging here at 375. So I missed a nice move up because I wasn't trusting my candles. This weekend I need to take some time and actually chart the Asia session because I haven't done that. So that's why I don't feel confident to know how often my strat works there. Purple candle kind of hanging, but it's really small, less than a point. Well, now it's 2 points. Of course, it's gonna. Bleh. Yeah, shot down for like no more than 2 points. Never mind. That's nothing to write home about. Yeah, somewhat. Oftentimes I'm supposed to do that, but oftentimes I'm just going for a quick 10 points. Not here. Here I'll be going for like 5 at the most. I think. Let's see. Our ATRs right now. Our ATR is 2, less than 2. So I mean, that's like a rounding error with the Q. The ATR on the 5-minute chart is 7. That's a little bit better. I mean, yeah, if you have a target, you're gonna miss out on bigger moves. Actually, me and G-Man have talked about this a little bit, but the thing is, and it also depends on how many trades or how many signals you get, whether you want to go for those bigger moves or not. I mean, with my strategy during the daytime, I average 80 possible entries. So if I go for 10 points on each, if I'm winning on 60 of those 80, or even 50 of those 80, then go scoring for 10 points is fine. But if I only got two signals a day, then yeah, I would want to get bigger, bigger. But you got to remember, like on NQ, 10 points is $200. You get, I mean, you average, so just 25 points in a day is 500 a week, 500 a day, or $2,500 a week. That's I don't know. Obviously, I don't know your financial situation. For me, that's life changing, and I think for most people, that's almost close to job quitting numbers. Yeah, that's 130,000 a year. Right. Yeah, I look at it. I'm here looking. Like I'll go back and like you know go back here and I'll look like here. This is a great one here. I'm thinking to myself on this one. And I didn't even take this purple candle. I stared at it. And I'm looking at the second candle and see it went 32 points, and I'm thinking, well, that would be great to hit, but I probably would only went for 10. It went 32, and I thought about doing a strategy where I just let whatever happens on the first candle happen, and then decide if I want to get out at the end of the candle or not. But I mean, then there's you know like here you see like this purple candle here, this one down 10, exactly 10, and then bounced. So if I've been going for a bigger target there, so I think I did get this one. I think I actually missed the 10 and it came back up, and I was smart enough to quickly get out. But um, if I've been going for a bigger thing, then I would have to deal with the pullback and hope it comes down again. And again, To if you get comfortable with 10 points, or whatever you're comfortable with for your target, and you get a high winning percentage, instead of going for the bigger targets, add a contract. I mean, think about it. Three 10-point trades, 30 points each day will be $600 a day. You get comfortable, you see you're consistent with that, so you add a second contract. Now you're at $1,200 a day. After X amount of time that you give yourself to get comfortable with that, and the extra little bit of extra psych that goes into that, having that bigger number, you know, you add a third contract. Or another way of doing it with these companies that allow copiers and whatnot, you add another account with one contract on each account. Like Speed Racer, he was just here. He already left, but his goal was to get 20 Apex accounts and make $50 a day on them. That's $1,000 a day. That's part of my problem as well, To. It's I overanalyze. I my mind analyzes everything, and trying to make a quick decision doing that is really tough. Just why I try to find something that can get give me an indication that I should do something. That's why I like my blue and purple candles. Yeah, then go for the bigger win rate and the smaller target or whatever you need to do. You have to find out whatever's comfortable for you. No, I mean NQ. I mean, I really haven't traded much anything else. If I was doing gold, my goal would probably be a point or 2 points. 10 to 20 ticks, depending on the situation. I don't know what the Dow would be. ES maybe 5. G-Man likes 5. Crude would probably be 10 to 20 ticks. Ultra Bond probably like 5 ticks. But again, I'm guessing at those numbers. I would have to sit down and chart it out and see what what works. We are grinding slowly down. We're down to 373. Oh yeah, at times CL does move really fast. But I mean, this is CL today. So you see, this is a 5 minute chart. I haven't really looked at it on 1 minute, but this has been a nice blue candle here, and you could have got 10 within the first 2 candles. This purple candle is too big. On the 5 minute chart, it didn't give many signals. You can see there that blue candle would have worked well for a quick 12, well, at 15, 16 ticks. Same there. On the 1 minute chart, we can look at it real quick. It's a little uglier on a 1 minute chart. Let's look around the open. See there? I mean, that would have gave 10. That would have failed. This would have worked really well. This would have worked really well. That would have worked if you got out quick. Ew. Talk about, oh, this is around their inventories, so you would have wanted to stay out of that. It doesn't give near as many signals. We're trying to pop back up here on NQ. Chris, are you still here? Chris B. Someone on my Discord said that Bulenox is not lifetime discount, just the first month, which surprises me, but the Apex 80% is lifetime. You're welcome. And now, uh, oddly, um, yeah, mind freeze. Bulenox also has an 83% discount code, and that is lifetime. 90% isn't, 83% is. Now, Kim has a family thing, something going on with a birthday. Nice call on the short CBR. Do you have a target? Yeah, a lot of regulars missing tonight. John's on vacation. Sid's not here. See you in the morning, Chris. Have a great night. Top of the hour coming up, so we'll be careful of that volatility, CBR. Anyone else wants to join us in the chat, please feel free. Hello, Captain Bryce. Ah. 45 seconds, CBR. Yeah, I heard Tesla headed downward. Yeah. Oh, there you go, CBR. Hope you didn't cut it. Whoosh. I guess that's a little baby whoosh. Nice, CBR. Bouncing back up. And back down. Ooh, right back down. Ah, that code's wrong. Crap. Kind of hanging here. Feel like it wants to kind of bounce back up there, but oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not really touching it right now. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Nice bounce. Then about 362, back up to 366. A nice little bounce. See if it continues back up. Anybody else taking any trades this evening? Coming back down. Right now, we're just sitting here around 366. Dow 39,548, ES 5237. Everything is a little choppy. Sitting on the EMA. Sitting on the EMA. Watching candles form away. Dudavid88. I see you subscribed 19 minutes ago. If you're here in the stream, welcome. Feel free to say hello, but no pressure. Purple candle here, kind of at the bottom of our range. Yes, it's a valid signal, actually. So I took that short. I got 3 ticks of slippage, and it looks like I'm going to get stopped out, but we'll see. When I went in, I was immediately down 3 ticks, $15. Yeah, I mean, I have it's a $65 risk. But back to my entry. Let me move this up a little bit. You should be able to see better. It's the Topstep X platform, if anyone's wondering. I heard they were doing it on Monday, Captain Price. I didn't verify if they did or not. Oh, a little spike there. There we go. Got down to 62. A little bit of volume coming in there. Boom. Yep. My Nightbot should be posting my link. And Bulenox is 90% off. Yes, it is. It's a great time to be a prop trader. Ouch, I should have taken that. I should have taken the 2 points. Back to my entry. Oh, there we go. Come on back down, baby. Ah. Ouch. Wow, look at that pop up. So I had a chance to get $40. I didn't take it. And now I'm probably going to lose 30. That's a tick for my stop. There we go. Okay, so we went backwards by $37.80. Not life-changing. Pulls down, back down a little bit. Whoosh, whoosh back down. So, I could always yell at myself here at the fact that I moved my stop. Actually would have hit my stop with the old stop too. So no, I did good. Whooshing down the 360. Yep. There's the push down. There's 58. So that kind of sucks that it stopped me out and then went my direction. How's everyone else doing? Everyone else is quiet. Sorry, I took a drink without muting. I don't usually do that. Still trying to push down here. Captain Bryce has said 55. Let's see if it gets there. I can't drive. 55. There's 57. Purple candle trying to entice me. I don't think I want it. It's probably going to go now because I don't want it. I don't like it. I don't love it. I don't want some more of it. Well, we're almost there. It's chugging. Chugga, 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 chew, chew. There's 55. David Snyder, hey, how you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. How's it going? We'll push back up by a couple points. Got down to 54, so up by 4, back up by 4 points. How you been, David? Interesting you ask. They're brand new. They're not ready. They launched before they were ready. But I'm on their Discord. I've talked to the owner just a tad. Technically, I mean, I've become an affiliate, but I don't plan on promoting them until I see they have a track record. Um, you know, they're offering a little bit. It's just there's a couple of red flags there. They might just be trying to be really ambitious. They're allowing 25 accounts and uh, $50,000 per account, if I understand right. And don't know much about them at all, like where the funding's coming from and all that. I have heard there's a 30% consistency rule in the funded account. Um, Other than that, yeah, I don't know much. They don't even have a dashboard ready for their website. So if you sign up, there's no dashboard or anything. They say that'll be up by the end of the month. I don't know why they launched without being ready. They also don't have NinjaTrader available. My guess is CFT is going to say, I don't recommend any of these new prop firms. Because there's actually 3 new ones. And honestly, in my opinion, there is no reason to go with the new ones yet because, like, there's another new one called FlexiTrade, also offering 90%, and Bulenox is price matching that. So, I mean, unless you, for some reason, you don't like Bulenox or you already have a max amount of Bulenox, it's safer to just go with some of the prop firms that already have an established. But I keep open minds about new props, because every prop was new at one time. But these couple of new props is they're seeming a little bit too good to be true. Because like Flexi Trade isn't even a monthly subscription. Flexi Trade's a one time. You can have the eval as long as you want. It's only a one time fee. And just the fact that these are just suddenly popping up out of nowhere. And my guess is that CFT is going to say something similar. I mean, he says he's going to review them because people have been asking, and so he's giving the people what they want. But my guess is, to summarize, he's going to say why deviate from what we have, at least at this point. Now, there is a member of MightyOxTrading that has signed up for an account with Precision. So he's kind of our guinea pig. And eventually, when I have extra time and extra money, when new prop firms pop, I will probably, you know, join them and uh under, but like not with a name that could be tracked back to me, so they don't know that I'm, you know, that I have a following, and they don't try to impress me to in order to, for me to tell everyone it's wonderful, and that way we can test them out. Or as I have more time and money, if I just feel like I can't do it, because like right now I have 5 firms, I have 5 accounts, so adding another account is just kind of unfeasible right now unless I start copy trading. So maybe I'll pay for someone to get an account with them and then report back how it goes. Little bounce here. Got a nice blue, pretty blue candle on the Dow. So nice bounce here. And Captain Price, great call for 55. Absolutely great call. Back up to 65 now. Oh yeah. So not an exciting stream, and I apologize for that. I've only taken one trade. It was a small loser. Never know what you're really gonna get during Asia. And I was too hesitant. Like I said, I need to take some time to chart out Asia to see how often my strat works. Because I just didn't have confidence in a lot of this. But a bunch of it could have given me quick couple point scalps. So remember, tomorrow morning is PPI. We'll see how it reacts after the wild day that CPI gave us yesterday. Yesterday, all our troubles seem so far away. T.O., you doing any trading tonight, or you just watching? Yeah, here's move back down. Purple candle below the signal line. All right, CBR. Have a good London, and we'll see you in the morning. London Bridge is falling down. There we go. Purple candle, second one out of 3. Nope, nope, went away. Whoosh. And by whoosh, I mean whoosh. It's only a point. Sitting here again. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Right now it's even dangerous to go for scalps because the slippage is anywhere between 3 ticks and 5 ticks, it seems like. Ooh, big move. Whoosh. Oh, nice bounce back up. And by big move, I mean 2.5 points. Back above that 65 level it got before. Got up to 65 again. Pulls back again. Pulls back. I just don't think we're going to get anything else. I think I might need to not only chart Asia for my strategy on NQ, but may need to look at a couple others so we can make these Asia streams a little bit more exciting. I hate it that it's probably boring a lot of people. So anybody else trade tonight? If so, how you had it? Like, yeah, easy for me to say. How did you end up? And there's the move attempting to move back up. You see gold moving back up. Tio, I'm putting you in charge of entertainment for these evening streams. Figure out how to make them more lively. Or, well, even he left, so I guess he's not going to be in charge of that. You're fired. Oh, wow, gold. Look at the gold run all of a sudden. There's gold in them dar charts. Still heading up. Just barely, though. You can see the slippage there. This is a blue candle. You see where it closed. It closed at 68.5 and it opened at 68. So those are 2.2, not points, 2 ticks of slippage right there. If I had entered, I would have been already down $10. And we're heading up. So not an exciting stream tonight, and I apologize for that. Our next evening stream is Monday evening. Our next morning stream is tomorrow. So I do want to thank everyone for joining me tonight. And I hope you'll join me next time. We'll figure out a way to make these evening streams a little bit more action-packed. Not going to force trades, though. Not here to lose, but definitely could probably taken another trade or two that would have fit my criteria that I didn't. So anyway, hope everyone has a great rest of your evening. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Or if you're only here for the evening streams, we'll see you Monday. Have a great night. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.